team of graduate student researchers from the Civil Engineering Department, led by Dr. Michelle Berry and Dr. Cameron Murray, recently collaborated with the U.S. Army Engineer Research and Development Center, ERDC, and Applied Research Associates, Inc., on an experiment to develop forward-deployable 3D printing technology for military maneuver operations. The focus of the experiment was to use additive construction technology to produce concrete items from local indigenous materials, including culverts, T-walls, modular blocks, jersey barriers, and dragon's teeth. This initial experiment tested new pre-engineered designs, slicing software, field materials characterization methods, expedited concrete batch designs, printing hardware, and quality control test methods. This experiment marks a significant step toward operationalizing additive construction technologies for military maneuver operations. The research is part of a $3.5 million subaward Dr. Berry and her team received in 2023 from the U.S. Army ERDC. The graduate student research team included Javier Lozano, Edgar Ortega, Jesus Serrano, James Stewart, Tim Nunez, Bailey Downing, and Ruimin Feng.